Hello everyone! Welcome to the video lesson on Module A about permutation versus combination. I hope you are ready and excited about our lesson for today. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to differentiate permutation from combination. Before we proceed, please answer the pretest to check your readiness in the lesson. You may pause the video while answering, then play it once you are done. Direction: determine whether each situation represents permutation or combination. Now, check your answer. Let us have a recap on what you have learned on the previous lesson. Direction: tell whether the order or arrangement in each situation is important or not. Number 1. Selecting 4 pizza toppings from the 8 toppings suggested in the menu. Correct. Not important. The order of the pizza toppings is not important as all of the 4 toppings will be placed on the pizza crust. Thus, arrangement is not important. Number 2. 7 bands have volunteered to perform at a benefit concert for COVID-19 patients, but only 4 bands can play in a given allotted time. Correct. The order of selecting the 4 bands is not important. Number 3. In the opening ceremony of Mathematics Festival, 3 students out of 15 officers and members of the Math Club will be chosen to sing the national anthem, to lead the invocation, and to introduce the guest speaker. Yes, it is important. After the 3 students are chosen, each one of them will be assigned to the respective task. Therefore, arrangement is important. Let us go now to our lesson. Let's start with this problem. In a raffle draw, there are major and consolation prizes at stake. The first, the second, and the third prize winners are only entitled for the major prizes. Rose, Malu, and Sheena are hoping to win one of these prizes. Let us have these 2 questions in relation to the problem. Letter A. In how many ways can they be called winners? Is it important who will be called first? Why? Letter B. If they won the consolation prize wherein the prizes are the same, is it important who will be called first? Why? Let us have the first question in letter A. In how many ways can they be called winners? If the first to be called is the third prize winner, therefore, there are lots of possible arrangement of winners. Let us have this arrangement wherein Rose won the third prize, Malu won the second prize, and Sheena won the first prize. How about this set of arrangement? Yes, it is another possible arrangement wherein Malu won the third prize, Rose won the second prize, and Sheena won the first prize. Or it can be this set of arrangement wherein Sheena won the third, Malu won the second, and Rose won the first. Following the ordered arrangement of winners, what are the other arrangements that can be formed aside from these 3 arrangements that we have mentioned earlier? Okay, Rose, Sheena, Malu is another possible arrangement wherein Rose won being the third prize, Sheena being the second prize, and Malu being the first prize winner. Malu, Sheena, and Rose is another possible arrangement. Sheena, Rose, Malu is another one. Can you still give another set of arrangement that is different from these 6 arrangements? No more. So what will be our answer? Yes, there are 6 possible arrangements of winners. How about the second question? Is it important who will be called first? Why? Yes, the order of calling the name of winners is important. Looking at the 6 arrangement, one is different from the other. In this situation, wherein the arrangement of things in definite order is important, is an example of permutation. Now, let us have the second question. If they won the consolation prize wherein the prizes are the same, is it important who will be called first? Why? Let us have again the 6 arrangements. What can you say about these arrangements if Rose, Malu, and Sheena are winners for the consolation prize? Yes, the 6 arrangement is considered as one arrangement because it involves the same person and the same prize. So what will be our answer? The order of calling the names of the winners is not important since they all have the same prize. So in this situation in which the arrangement is not important is an example of combination. Let us have more examples on permutation and combination. Determine whether each situation represents permutation or combination. Number 1. Choosing 3 students from 10 students in class who will represent the math, science, and English contests. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer the question. Correct. It is permutation. After the 3 students are chosen, each one of them will be assigned as contestants in math, science, and English. So the arrangement of the contestants is important, so it is permutation. Number 2. Selecting 10 students from 25 students who audition to join the school's dance club for 5 seconds. Good job. It is combination. The order of choosing the 10 students is not important since all of them will be members of the dance club. So the arrangement is not important. It is combination. Number 3. Choosing 12 songs from Spotify to be played at a birthday party for 5 seconds. Very good. It is permutation. After choosing the 12 songs from Spotify, it will be lined up for playing at the birthday party. The different lineups are the different arrangement of songs. So here, the arrangement of songs is important, so it is permutation. Number 4. Choosing 3 distinct flavors of ice cream from 6 flavors and placing them on the ice cream cone for 5 seconds. Excellent! It is combination. The order of the 3 ice cream flavors is not important since all of the flavors will be put on the ice cream cone. So the arrangement is not important. So it is combination. Now, let us have a wrap-up of what we have discussed today. In permutation, the order or arrangement of items or objects is important, while in combination, the order of items or objects is not important. For our valuing, this is a reflection for your journal writing. The COVID-19 outbreak has affected the lives of many. As the virus has spread exponentially, businesses have been forced to temporarily stop operating and many became unemployed. However, online food businesses serve as an attractive opportunity for Trinidad's family to start a new business. A family food business prides itself on its offering of delicious meals and other food requirements. If you were one of the personnel or key person in this business, how can you apply your knowledge of permutation and combination to further improve your business? Share your ideas to your media account and maybe you can get tips from them to increase sales and for your business to flourish when the pandemic eases and implemented shutdowns are lifted. Post test. You may post the video while answering, then play it once you are done. Direction. Determine whether each situation represents permutation or combination. Now, check your answer. For the 3 activities, you may pause the video while answering, then play it once you are done. Activity number 1. Let's practice. Direction. Identify in the given situation in which order of arrangement is important and which is not important. Write yes if the arrangement is important, otherwise write no. Now check your answer. Activity number 2. Keep practicing. Direction. Identify which situation illustrate permutation and which illustrate combination. Write P if permutation or C if combination. Now check your answer. Activity number 3. Test yourself. Direction. Determine whether the problem requires permutation or combination. Now, check your answer. That's all for this video lesson. Thank you and keep safe everyone.